guys, today is a review done by me because I received a package from Lemessy's Coconut Essentials, and this company is based in Icacos Village in Cedros. So I was extremely happy when I was contacted to do a review on their product. I was sent 2 bottles. This is a 150 ml of their Icacos virgin coconut oil, and this is a 375 ml of their Icacos traditional coconut oil. Now this oil, they say, is no additives, no preservatives, just how your girl likes it, and uses are for massaging, cooking, and skincare. This one is unrefined and cold processed. I will get into what cold processed means because I have my laptop out, I did my research, and I'm here to speak about coconut oil today. So the uses for this is for health benefits. Use 2 teaspoons daily. I was unaware that people drink coconut oil directly. I was only told that yesterday. You can use this for cooking, baking, or sauteing up to 360 degrees. I will explain what they mean by that as well because I did my research. And lastly, for skincare and hair care. So I'll be very honest, I use coconut oil in my cooking a lot. I have been also using virgin coconut oil. Well, they say unrefined, but this is also called virgin coconut oil. And ever since I was small, we were incorporating this in our hair care. Everyone knows the amazing benefits of coconut oil. It is on everything. It is in everything. Who does not love coconut oil? I just love the scent. So I'm going to open these babies up. I already took out the seal from this, and I'm going to do a smell test. I love that scent. That smells really good. It smells really good as well, but personal preference if I have to choose in terms of scent, because I love how coconut oil smells, this one is a win-win for me. So now, if you all are curious as to what type of coconut oil is suitable for your needs, your girl did her research, and I am here to tell you what is the difference between refined and unrefined coconut oil and which one is better suited for specific needs. So I have my laptop out because I was doing my research. So basically, guys, the major difference between refined and unrefined coconut oil is how they are produced, which in turn affects some of their physical properties like flavor and smoke point. So let us begin with unrefined coconut oil, which is this one. So unrefined coconut oil is oil that has been pressed from coconut meat and undergone no further processing. So this label has cold pressed, which means that no heat was involved during its extraction. So guys, moving on to refined coconut oil. Refined coconut oil undergoes some additional processing to make it better suited for cooking. So there's a couple steps. I'm not going to go into that. I'm just going to let you know there are 4 steps. It is degumming, neutralizing, bleaching, and deodorizing. So deodorizing is the final step where the oil is heat deodorized to remove any remaining coconut scent or taste, making it more suitable for high temperature cooking. So how do we know which one to use? Guys, stick around because in the end I am going to show you how I use this in my hair. So for the most part, choosing refined or unrefined coconut oil is basically a matter of personal preference. However, there are certain applications for which one type may be better suited than the other. And here are some examples. So for baking, because of unrefined coconut oil's strong coconut taste and scent, refined coconut oil may be a better choice for baking. If you use refined coconut oil, the result will be free of a coconut taste and smell that could otherwise clash with the product's flavor. So for baking, this is your winner. Moving on to cooking. They say in cooking, the higher smoke point of refined coconut oil makes it a clear winner. It's ideal for high heat cooking such as stir frying and sauteing. This allows you to cook at higher temperatures, resulting in a product that's crispy but not burnt. I will go, this is the winner for cooking. Moving on to skin and hair care. Now guys, I'll be completely honest, I have been using coconut oil on my hair ever since I was a child. Skincare, however, I am not going to advise on that. That is your personal choice. I just feel like as an oil-based product, it might clog your pores. Like I said, I am no professional. Everything that I am talking about here is solely based on the information that I'm getting on the internet. By all means, you do not have to take my advice, or you can. I'm just saying, for me, I am not going to use coconut oil on my skin. On my hair, it's completely okay. Okay, so moving on. For skin and hair care, they say you can use both. However, if the smell of the unrefined bothers you, you can opt for the refined one. But the unrefined coconut oil may be a better choice as it is less processed and therefore likely to be more gentle on your skin and hair. This is a winner for skincare and hair care. Alright, so this is my look right now. It smells really, really nice. I wouldn't lie, this does not have a bad scent at all. You can tell that it is very pure. So I usually, people leave this on their hair for like about an hour or so, but I like to go the extra mile and I sleep with it. So I am going to sleep with this overnight and then wash my hair off in the morning. So I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so it has been approximately 24 hours since I used the virgin coconut oil on my hair. Now remember, I left this on my hair overnight. Usually people leave it on like about half an hour to an hour before they wash their hair, but I have always liked to get the full experience, so I used to always leave it on my hair overnight. I just feel like it's going to moisturize my hair and my scalp better. So this is my hair after it has been washed and flat ironed. Now I can safely say that there's no scent, there's no after scent. Sometimes with coconut oil you might get like a oily rancid scent. I did not get that at all from this, so I can tell off the top that this is very pure. Now the pricing for these, before I just want to let you know, I will be linking all the information in the description box below, so you can be sure and check that out as well if you all are interested. So the virgin coconut oil comes in 3 sizes: 150 ml, which is this one, 350 and 750 ml, and the prices are as follows: $36 for the 150 ml, $75 for the 350 ml, and $130 for the 750 ml. Now guys, personally speaking, $36 for a 150 ml bottle of virgin coconut oil, this is, to me, I just think that is so very reasonable. Now moving on to the traditional coconut oil, it comes in 2 sizes: 375 ml and 750 ml. Prices are as follows: $30 for the 375 ml and $60 for the 750 ml, which is this size. Now in terms of purchasing, there are 2 ways in which you can purchase. You can either purchase online on toolbay.com. When you go to toolbay.com, on a vendor, you just type in Lemessy's Coconut Essentials, or you can also contact them at their business number, which is 710-1991. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for sending me these 2 samples. I am very excited to continue using them in my daily routine, and I will definitely be purchasing when these 2 bottles are finished. So guys, that's all for this video. Now before you go, if you like what you saw, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like these, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. New videos will be out every Thursday and every Sunday, and I'm looking forward to doing more reviews for you guys. So guys, stay safe, have a wonderful week, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.